Hi, my name is Maroney, and I'm presenting a study which aims to determine which factors of a multi-component intervention had the largest impact on controlling systolic blood pressure in the hypertension control program in Argentina study using mediation analysis. A total of 1,357 hypertensive participants completed the trial and are included in the mediation analysis with 7 potential mediators assessed, including medication adherence score, medication adjustments, waist circumference, physical activity, fruit and vegetable consumption, and sodium consumption. Path analytic models were used to test single mediator and multiple mediator using the Lavon package in R, and missing data was imputed using the mice package in R, and multiple mediator pathways were adjusted for mediator outcome confounding. Acceptability and sustainability were measured by self-report. So in our results, in table 1, we have the baseline characteristics of the trial participants, which were very similar in the intervention and control group after randomization. And figure 1, we have path analytic models of the single mediator model, the multiple mediator model, and multiple mediator model adjusted for mediator outcome confounding, which correspond to tables 2, 3, and 4 respectively. And figure 2 has the acceptability of multi-component intervention, and figure 3 has sustainability of the multi-component intervention. So in our results, in single mediator models, approximately 26 and 24% of the total effect of the multi-component intervention on systolic blood pressure was mediated by salt intake and physical activity, respectively. In a multiple mediator model with 7 mediators included, 11% of the intervention's effect on systolic blood pressure was mediated, with a significant reduction in the systolic blood pressure mediated by regulating alcohol intake. And the total proportion of the total effect mediated by alcohol was 6.55%. After adjustment for the mediator outcome confounders within the multiple mediator model, approximately 13.56% of the total effect was mediated, with alcohol intake remaining significant after adjustment for gender and receipt of SMS reminders. The proportion of total effect due to the mediated effect of alcohol intake was 2.45%. 77% of the participants were very satisfied with the multi-component intervention, and 22% were somewhat satisfied, and 92% of the participants reported willingness to continue self-monitoring blood pressure. However, only 7% reported being most likely to moderate their alcohol intake. So in conclusion, decreasing alcohol intake significantly mediates the relationship between receiving a multi-component intervention and systolic blood pressure. Much of the impact of the multi-component intervention is due to other factors that were not explored. Participants receiving the intervention were satisfied and indicated willingness to continue to implement the intervention measures. However, moderating alcohol intake was not one of them. And further work is necessary to indicate and measure mediators of multi-component interventions, with the potential measures including self-monitoring of blood pressure and regular physician visits. Thank you.